Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Angelie here. What it do? And y'all, I have another unboxing. If you want to see what I got, keep on watching. Okay. Alright, sister girl. So this right here, I had to. Okay. I just had to get it. Of course, it is from Coach. Y'all should already know what this is, right? Let's just move this box. Uh-oh. It's not factory wrapped. Oh my goodness. But we shall see. We move anyway. Y'all, the item that I got, why is it not factory wrapped? I have the Kisslock 27 in the color Muted Olive. Y'all, this color. When I went to the store and I saw it, y'all, I had to. I walked away that day, but I came back home and put it in my cart, and I just could not stop thinking about it, y'all. This bag. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love it, y'all. Now, the other one, the multicolor one, that one is nice as well, but I wear too much, like, black and neutral colors for the most part. I wouldn't get a lot of use out of that one, but this one, and then y'all know I'm a green girl. This is a neutral. This is a neutral for me. Now, this is a straw bag, but it was just so beautiful. It comes with the two hang tags. One says Coach. The other one says the Kisslock frame bag, limited re-edition, 1969. It has the D-rings, the two D-rings right here. Y'all, she's gorgeous. She is, okay. It is lined, okay. Here is the crossbody strap. Okay. Here's a little card slot right here on the back. I would never use this. Never. And here is the back side. It has the Coach Creed and it has a slip pocket. It snaps. Right here. It goes about halfway down the bag, so it goes to like right here. So what do we think, y'all? I don't know. Should we get an organizer for this? I don't know. Or should we let it have like that little slouch at the bottom? I don't know. I might get an organizer for this. But yeah, I love this color. I love this color. I love this bag. I know this is just a quick unboxing, but y'all know I had to get this. Like, I had to. She is absolutely beautiful. I don't have any of the Kisslock pieces. I don't have anything like this. So, yeah. What do we think, y'all? This is a good everyday size. And I think this would be so good for the spring, summer. Girl, I wear my bags whenever I want to. I don't care about the season. But with the spring and the summer coming up, this is everything. Alright, you guys. So I'll be back with a what fits soon. If you all enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Let me know. Are you getting one of these? Have you considered getting one of these? Let me know. Love y'all, and I will see you all later. Bye.